Mastering Throughput Accounting. Unchecked capacity crippling organizations from the inside out. Why do the consequences of not managing capacity become so detrimental to an organization's overall productivity and profitability, ultimately leading to wasted resources and lost opportunities? In the context of throughput accounting, the consequences of not managing capacity can be detrimental to an organization's overall productivity and profitability, ultimately leading to wasted resources and lost opportunities. This is because capacity management is critical to optimizing the flow of materials, resources, and information through the organization's system. When an organization fails to manage its capacity effectively, it can lead to a range of negative consequences that can have a ripple effect throughout the entire system. One of the primary consequences is the creation of bottlenecks, which can restrict the flow of production and lead to queues, delays, and inefficiencies. Bottlenecks can occur at any point in the production process, from raw material sourcing to finished goods delivery, and can be caused by a lack of capacity, inadequate resources, or inefficient processes. When bottlenecks occur, they can lead to a range of negative consequences, including increased lead times, reduced throughput, and decreased productivity. This, in turn, can lead to decreased customer satisfaction, lost sales, and ultimately, reduced profitability. Furthermore, bottlenecks can also lead to increased inventory levels, as materials and components wait in queues for processing, tying up valuable resources and space. Another consequence of poor capacity management is the misallocation of resources. When capacity is not managed effectively, resources may be wasted on non-bottleneck activities, leading to inefficiencies and reduced productivity. This can lead to an overinvestment in areas that do not constrain the system, while underinvesting in areas that do. For example, an organization may invest heavily in marketing and sales, but neglect to invest in production capacity, leading to a mismatch between demand and supply. Furthermore, poor capacity management can lead to increased variability in the production process, making it more difficult to predict and manage output. This can lead to a range of negative consequences, including reduced quality, increased rework, and decreased customer satisfaction. Variability can also lead to increased inventory levels, as organizations attempt to buffer against uncertainty, further tying up resources and space. In addition, poor capacity management can lead to suboptimal decision-making, as managers may make decisions based on local optima rather than global optima. For example, a manager may prioritize the optimization of a single department or process, without considering the impact on the overall system. This can lead to a range of negative consequences, including reduced throughput, increased inventory levels, and decreased profitability. Poor capacity management can also lead to a lack of transparency and visibility throughout the organization, making it difficult to identify and address bottlenecks and inefficiencies. This can lead to a range of negative consequences, including increased lead times, reduced productivity, and decreased customer satisfaction. Furthermore, poor capacity management can lead to increased operating expenses, as organizations attempt to mitigate the effects of bottlenecks and inefficiencies. This can include overtime payments, temporary labor, and expedited shipping, all of which can erode profitability and reduce competitiveness. Finally, poor capacity management can lead to a lack of agility and responsiveness, making it difficult for organizations to adapt to changing market conditions and customer needs. This can lead to a range of negative consequences, including lost sales, reduced market share, and decreased profitability. In conclusion, the consequences of not managing capacity can be detrimental to an organization's overall productivity and profitability, ultimately leading to wasted resources and lost opportunities. By failing to manage capacity effectively, organizations can create bottlenecks, misallocate resources, increase variability, and make suboptimal decisions, leading to a range of negative consequences that can have a lasting impact on the organization's competitiveness and profitability.